viewers, and we are here on the streets of Lagos to get reaction about this Baba Ijesha issue of him raping a 7-year-old girl. And we've got a lot of reaction from the entertainment industry. We have Iyabo Ojo coming out to say that nobody should support Baba Ijesha because she has released a lot of videos, a lot of live videos tackling her colleagues in the industry, telling them they are wrong by supporting Baba Ijesha. We also have Yomi Fabiyi, who is saying that people should wait and relax and wait for and wait for the court to find him guilty before we can say he's wrong or before he can be prosecuted. We have a lot of reaction from people in the entertainment industry. But now we are on the streets of Lagos to get reaction from Lagosians. What do they feel from him? Because even the police are saying that they are going to release him tomorrow because we would have said it's not a case of rape, but it's a case of indecent assault. So we have a lot of reaction on this, and we want to know what Lagosians feel about this. I am Marilyn, and this is the Flip TV. So come along with us.
Bàbá orí ẹ̀ ló gba bọ̀dé tó bá sẹ́ẹ̀tì ẹ̀ ṣé ó nìkan ló wà láyé ni nígbà tó sẹ́ẹ̀tì ẹ̀ ṣé ó fẹ́ fi ṣòwò ni àbí kí wọ́n fẹ́ fi ṣe tó fi di pé ọmọ ọdún méje kí bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà lọ bá sùn àwa náà ká rò ó láàrin ra wa kan tí ò da kò yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ àwọn tí wọ́n bá bímọ ló jẹ́ bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà ló bẹ́ẹ̀ kó bá ṣe ọmọ tiẹ̀ náà bẹ́ẹ̀ kí ni òun náà lè sọ nípa ẹ̀ lẹ́yìn kó sọ pé yes ẹjọ́ okúlù ẹ̀kan dárú bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà àtàwọn tó bá wà lórí kọ́kọ́ wádìí everything pé bóyá ọ̀sẹ̀ tiẹ̀ kọ́ wádìí everything kọ́ rí pé gbogbo wọn tó bá wà nídìí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn kọ́ kó wọn pátá kọ́ dẹ̀ fìyà tó dáa jẹ wọ́n. irú èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ kókó yẹ kó gbà àárín ìlú mọ́ irú èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ kí ọ̀mú kó láàrin ìlú pátá kó máa lọ gbé nùgbẹ́ inú igbó ni wèrè ń gbé kó mú lọ sínú igbó kó máa lọ gbé bẹ́ẹ̀ kó ní kó bá gbà àárín ìlú ìtòrí èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn èèyàn burúkú lèèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ṣé ó yẹ yín sìn kọ́ mú lọ sínú gbẹ tàbí kọ́ sí òkú ẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ torí kíni irú àwọn èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹ àwọn òfẹ́ ìlú tó fẹ́ gbé kò jẹ́ fún àdẹ̀ nígbà èkó dẹ̀ níbàjẹ́.
That person that you rape.
Okay, you heard that thing before?
Yes, yesterday I heard from radio that is not the first time you sleep with that girl, and that is not the second time. So leaving that man without punishment, next time you rape another child again. Yes.
So you believe that he actually?
Yes, I believe.
Why do you believe?
Because there's nothing man cannot do. A foolish man is always a foolish man. Maybe I've been doing it for long, we don't know. But this one God want to punish him for the whole world to know the secret what he's doing.
So what do you feel about the police are saying that they are going to release him tomorrow?
Well, you know Nigeria, everything goes on money. So when you collect money, you release even a prisoner, even a hand robber, you can release anybody. So it's free to release. But judgment, there is coming.
Mi ò rò pé orúkọ báyìí lè ṣẹlẹ̀ o sínú bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà bóyá ìgbà lórúkọ jẹ́ ni kíní ẹ̀ fẹ́ jẹ́ báyìí o torí mi ò gbọ́ rí ọmọ ọdún méje o worst so kọjọ kan bá wa wo ṣe kan bá wa ṣe láàánú kọjọ tó rọ Ọlọ́run mi ò pé orúkọ báyìí lè ṣẹlẹ̀ bóyá wọ́n fi bá lórúkọ jẹ́ ni torí mi ò gbọ́ rí ọmọ ọdún méje tí o tẹ̀ ṣe ọmọ 20 years tí o ṣe ọmọ 25 years 7 years ó jẹ́ ìkan ìyàlẹ́nu o sókan jọ kan tó rọ Ọlọ́run wọ́n bá wa wo ṣe láàánú wọ́n bá wa túlẹ̀ àárẹ̀ yẹ ó yí Ọlọ́run o bẹ́ẹ̀ lójú sì tèmi o irú ẹ̀ ò lè ṣẹlẹ̀ 7 years irú máa yẹ irú ẹ̀ kò lè ṣẹlẹ̀ so.
They should not release Baba Ijesha. They should not release him. I heard Baba Ijesha confess to what he has done. So when he has confessed, why would they release him?
But they say they do not have right to hold him less than 50
After he has confessed, no, they should hold him. They should not release him.
So
He should be behind the bar.
So do you think the Nigerian police are doing enough on this issue?
No, I don't think so. I don't think so. They have been partial. I don't think so. Maybe because Baba Ijesha is a celebrity. We don't understand what they are trying to do. I don't think the police are doing their job very well.
So what do you think
He should be behind the bar. He should be behind the bar. He should just serve his punishment behind the bar. That's it.
He's not supposed to be released now. Okay, now if they should release him, he's going to do another one. He's going to do another one. People might not even know about it. So he should not be released. It's not a setup. There is a video for it. Only that they don't want to post the video because a minor is involved. So they don't want to show the girl's face, which is not. They don't even have to show her face. So there is evidence for it. So they should not release him. He should be there.
So what do you think the punishment for Baba Ijebu for doing this should be?
Life imprisonment.
Life imprisonment?
Yes.
Wow. So you think on Friday Baba Ijebu should not be released?
They should not release him.
So do you think that the police are doing enough on this matter?
Well, I don't really know about that because they should not release him. I think they want to release him because he's an influential person. People know him. So I think they are cooking up some things behind which we don't know. I think that's why they want to release him. If it were to be normal person, I mean normal individual, they are not going to release him. They will just judge the person straight. They won't even think of releasing him or anything.
Alright, thank you.
To my own thinking, they should not release him because many people are doing this. They think they have connection, they can do something and get away with it. So to me, they should use it as an example for others to learn from it.
Okay. So what do you think, what punishment do you think is what Baba Ijebu?
The punishment for rape should be given to him accordingly.
But it should not be released.
No, they should hold him. It should not be released.
About this whole matter, what is your opinion about it? Do you think it was a setup, or do you think Baba Ijebu actually committed a crime?
To me, I wasn't there, but to me, I think he really committed it. To my own thinking. Because somebody cannot just lie to that extent to somebody you know that is above you, I can deal with you. So I think for the person to have the confidence to come out and say something, I think she have her own ground that she's standing on.
Well, my name is Editor General, and for Baba Ijebu, Baba Jesha. Well, if they want to release him tomorrow, he must caution and warn himself and to tell his body. If though he can't handle it, he should go to whereby a lot and let me call it, all these special treatment women, they can treat him well. Or maybe he should get extra wife for himself if he can't handle it. But nevertheless, he should curb himself as an elderly in Yoruba land. So he should not be an insult to him, he should not be an insult to the elders and the upcoming elder of the Yorubas who are the youth. So he should not be now to his fans. Some of them will be saying that how can he be behaving like that? Nobody is perfect, nobody is everyone are human. But nevertheless, I say congratulations to him and his family and to his fans and everybody. But I pray that God will give him grace to not look and nevertheless also to one and to the police officers and to all the people in charge of it, I say God bless you. And to the parents of the victim, I pray that maybe God want to use her to be a blessing to the other generation, to have our own foundation and NGO, also to curb something and heart in the society in the future to come. And I pray for that young lady. This shoe will be an ambassador, how will I put, a tycoonist and a mogulist for the generation to come, and also an quintessential role model that should be counseling upcoming and present generation, that she will be an part in the family. She will not die young, she will live long, she will be wealthy, she will be okay, she will not marry wrongly.
For my own assertion as in that regard, basically all offense in this instance are first put to deep scrutiny. Now, apparently we wouldn't know until the police itself come out as an agency to clarify or give clarity as to reasons. I mean, there could be peculiar reasons for their actions. It could, one thing about security intelligence matter like this, most occasions they don't work on emotionalism. And so, in looking at that, the preponderant reaction of persons wouldn't determine the actions of the police. They would have put, I believe, apparently they should have put best effort in deciphering the truism in the matter. discovering any elements of criminality in it, and also finding if he's culpable of that offense, then he will be prosecuted. But since they are coming out to state that he will be released by tomorrow, it implies that there may be no too much offense, or so to say. They are, perhaps subsequently they will come out to give us further clarity as to releasing him by tomorrow.
Okay, but some Nigerians are saying that Baba Ijesha is an influential person.
Okay.
And that's why the police are taking the step of releasing him tomorrow. What do you feel about that?
Well, you see, it is all of those, they still form emotional reactions. You can't take it away from that. You can't actually take away from the fact that people would always react. And perhaps it may not be a best example as to say, okay, looking at his personality, a lot of things could be related to it. I mean, the reason is not far-fetched. There have been instances in Nigeria where certain matters of obvious and glaring evidences to actually curtail or deal with such persons, but as a result of their position and influence, they've been able to get away with it. So you wouldn't take it away far from that. It's not far-fetched. The reason why such emotional reactions are coming forth are results of, should I say, things happen in retrospect. So in retrospect, all of things like that, we have seen events played out in such manner. So you can't actually take it away from that. But all of that are emotional reactions in any event. So we still have to wait for them to give us clarity as to why they are releasing him. And also, there's this is a point where active organizations, particularly human rights, child rights organizations, should stand to also, we shouldn't have any case of grandstanding from the police. They should come up now to checkmate the process. If they want us to see the truth in it, if they want us to see the veracity of their claim, as to, okay, this is why we are releasing him, to decipher the veracity of their claim, some of those organizations can come up to checkmate the process, if actually it is true or not. So if there's no element of truth in what the police is saying or the statement of the police, then they can make this thing, because they have the right to go to the court and file processes in that regard. So whether the police is prosecuting or the police is not prosecuting, if they have the evidences to show, then anyone can go to the court and prosecute such matter. Yeah. No, that's why I said, I said that ab initio I made a statement. I said, see, the essence of the evidence, now, in the court of law, even the police will tell you, they may have no evidence, that's why they are telling you he has to be released. Because when they get to the court, there will be nothing. When you are coming to a court, the judge will strike out the matter on the grounds of want of diligence. Because if there's no evidence to, even though when the judge is available or present at the scene of the crime, he wouldn't use that as a ground to judge. Yeah, so it is to them to see that you have enough grounds, you have enough evidences to prove your matter. So it's possible that all of the evidences are not really sure, they are not certain evidences, of which they are not certain of. So they won't want to make any further, no matter how, it may not be any reason to forestall the process, and it could be. Anything is possible as Nigeria.
You've heard it all from Lagosians, and there were several reactions about this issue. And I just really hope that at the end, justice is being served. Please like, subscribe, and also comment. I want to know what you feel about this issue in the comments box. Thanks for watching, and I remain Marilyn. Thank you.